Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the new Taurus G3. This gun has been on the market for probably between 4 and 6 months. The reviews I've seen so far have been pretty good, and my luck with the G2 series of guns has been pretty good. So it comes in a plain cardboard box like so. Open it up. You do get a lock. You get the gun itself. Now it does come with 2 magazines. One is 15 rounds, one is 17 rounds. And then you get your manuals as well. So that's everything that comes in the box. Let's go back to the magazine capacity real quick. Again, you get a 15 rounder and a 17 rounder. Now, if it's illegal in your state to have high capacity magazines, you can get them in 10 round magazines as well. So here's the star to show, the Taurus G3. This is a polymer handgun. It is a single action with restrike capability and a striker fired. You do have a manual safety here at the back, and you've also got a trigger safety here. It does come with a Picatinny Rail as well. The overall length is 7.330 inches. Overall width is 1.25 inches with an overall height of 5.20 inches. You got a barrel length of 4 inches. And as I said, it does come with 2 magazines in the box. The overall weight is 25 ounces. So yeah, guys, quick unboxing. That is the Taurus G3. I'm going to put a couple hundred rounds through this, and we'll come back and give you a full review. I will be comparing the G2C with this G3. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.